Today, I'm going to bring you a more detailed teaching video of the self-propelled lifting platform. When pushing out the extended platform with your feet here, you should firmly grasp the handrails of the platform with both hands to avoid slipping. The tires can also make sharp turns. Next, the master will drive it to an open area. The platform achieves lifting and lowering through the extension and retraction of the scissor arms. This ensures that the platform moves at a uniform speed and maintains a stable posture. During the lifting and lowering process, avoiding sudden acceleration or deceleration, and safeguarding the safety of the operators and the equipment. But when it comes to moving at high altitudes, it's better to go a little slower. When you are on the platform, you can control the forward movement, backward movement, ascending and descending by operating this small system. And the operation is also very simple. This key is the main switch. Turning it to the right activates the operating system you saw just now, and turning it to the left activates the ground operating system. The first button in the middle of the ground operating system controls the lifting and lowering of the platform. This is a fuse. This is the switch for the warning light. When it is about to finish descending, the warning light will give out a reminder, just like this. Finally, let's take a look at what the lifting platform looks like when it's in operation. If you have anything else you'd like to know, you can privately message us.